I wish I could simplify writing descriptions for YouTube videos. I find the process of writing SEO-friendly video summaries with subtle branding messages, keywords and calls to action, or locating and adding appropriate video, affiliate or social links to be time-consuming. In this installment of GPTs that automate your YouTube influence, we are looking at the YouTube description writer found in the GPT store. Let's dive into SEO-friendly descriptions that enhance content visibility and engagement. The next agent we're going to look at is around the publishing of your YouTube video, where you've got to fill in information like the description and the keywords. Let's take a look at the description from a video I did a week ago, and the video is called Build YouTube Automation App with ChatGPT. And the way it starts is, join me in the first episode of Build a YouTube Automation App with ChatGPT. So it's written an intro here in the description that matches the title. From there, we have 4 sections. We've got what's inside, episode highlights, useful links, including affiliate links, and stay tuned for more. And it finishes off with a bunch of keywords. Let's take a look at the GPT agent for YouTube description writing. And the role of this agent is to craft engaging and informative YouTube video descriptions. The basic overview of this is that it specializes in creating YouTube descriptions for videos focusing on SEO, viewer engagement, and compliance within the YouTube guidelines. So with the additional guidelines around hashtags, links, and discoverability, we should be able to start using this GPT to create a new description. The primary command for this particular GPT is create, and usually I would provide it with a title and a summary. I might also have some special instructions if I need it, and I often include extra metadata such as affiliate links or branding links to my social media channels. Heading over to my GPTs, we've got a video description wizard, which is a friendly yet professional YouTube description expert focusing on SEO, engagement, and compliance. Now what we'll do is we'll click on the I will give you a title, transcript, and special instructions. At the moment, it's just waiting for input. Select the analysis and the summary. As we scroll up, there's also the intro that was used in this video and the title. And we'll take it a little bit further and just copy the brand details and just put that into the clipboard. Type in the word create with a colon and just paste everything that we've selected and see what it creates. It's got a title, which is Unlock the Power of GPTs. And then we move into the description. So I would be copying from this little emoji all the way down, what you'll discover, key highlights, and stay connected through some social media channels. There's a call to action to like, share, and subscribe, and following up with some keywords. Thank you for joining me in this look at one of the GPTs I use to streamline content creation on YouTube. To dive deeper and discover how I leverage a GPT swarm targeting YouTube automation, check out my detailed video, 7 GPTs to Automate YouTube Influence in 2024. Just click the link on the screen or in the description. If you are interested in more innovative AI tools for YouTube, don't miss out on my Custom GPTs playlist, where I showcase a variety of GPT-powered solutions. I'm AppyDave. Thank you for watching.